Hello and welcome to my demonstration for my Places of Interest web app. Just when you are presented with the start page, you have two options: sign up or log in. Just to demonstrate some of the app features, I'm going to quickly log in with a user that I've made previously. So if you are a user that's been using this app previously and you've set up a few POIs, you can see your lists of POIs when you log in. You're brought straight to the list when you log in. The options at the top for a user are to add a new place, to see the list of places, to amend their account details, and to log out. You can also view your lists, your POI lists, by category. So the categories that this user has set up are towns, lakes, and cities. Going back to the list, we can see that this is his full list. He's got 4 entries: New York, Dublin, Copenhagen, Waterford. So if I view by category cities, it's just going to show me what this user has in his cities filter, and we can see that one of them is gone. View by category towns, and we've got what they have in as a town. Click view all to return to seeing them all. Now I'll demonstrate adding a place. I'll try and enter a category here, but I haven't actually put in a category for mountains for this user yet, so I can do that later. I'll just put in some GPS coordinates for Mount Everest. I'll also put in an image that I saved for Mount Everest. Now you're taken back to the list of POIs. At the bottom, we have our new entry, Mount Everest. We've got the name, the description, the photograph we uploaded, the GPS coordinates, and the weather report for Mount Everest. It's pretty chilly up there. So I want to put this in a category. I'm going to click view by category, and I'm going to add a new category for mountains. I go back to my places list, and now that when I added this POI, I didn't put a category in, but I can go in and edit this POI now, and my new category of mountains is now here, and I can update. When you click update, the weather report also updates. I go view by category, click mountains, and there's my mountain. So a new user to the app will have to set up an account. A new user won't have any POIs, so they will be directed to the add POI page straight off. Click on their list, they've got nothing there. When you're adding a POI, the only mandatory fields are the name and the description. You can upload a very basic POI by leaving out the category, the GPS coordinates, and image if they choose. But if you come back later and you have collected the GPS coordinates and you'd like to add them in later, like so, and add an image later, like so. The updated information is then shown. When you enter the GPS coordinates, you then get your weather report. In the account settings options, you can change your name, change your email address, change your password, or delete your account. So there's also admin control. I've hard-coded in the admin password for demonstration purposes. Here you can delete users, and you can also click onto a user it'll display an admin user page where it'll tell you that you are logged in viewing this user, and you can see the POIs that he's put in. You can delete the POIs that they've entered, and you can also go in and edit the information that they're displaying on the app. You can edit a new location name, a new location description, or you can delete the image. So this app uses the Cloudinary image management interface, and also I'm using the Mongoose database framework, and the code is done in a way where the management of those is kept very neat. So if you delete a user or if you delete a POI, it will delete the relevant information from both the database and the Cloudinary the Cloudinary storage. So it's all kept very neat, the data usage on those services. I also have a detailed Git history for the app here. You can see that I make use of develop branches and feature branches, and also release branches and hotfix branches. So the code is using the Happy framework for the server, and I use the Inert Vision and Cookie and Joy plugins. And I welcome you to go into the JavaScript files and view the detailed comments I've put in explaining all of the different methods and functions. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you enjoyed it.